Hello everyone, I am Prashant Srivastava. I am teacher of Sunbeam Community School. Already I have explained lesson 23 civics part 1 and 2. Today I explain part 3. Our topic is diversity in language, caste, religion and way of worship. It is interesting to know that language changes after every 30 kilometer. In India, there are 22 national languages. हिंदी, पंजाबी, सिंधी, गुजराती, मराठी, बंगाली, उड़िया, असमी, उर्दू, संस्कृत, कश्मीरी, तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़, मलयालम, नेपाली, मणिपुरी, कोंकणी, संथाली, मैथिली, बोडो एंड डोगरी. There is a great diversity in religion also in India. Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, Jainism, Sikhism, Islam, etc. are followed by various sections of the Indian population. The Hindu worship their god and goddess in a temple. Muslim offer namaz in a mosque, while the Sikh sing hymns in Gurudwara and Christian offer prayer to God in a church. Children born of the same parents have different habits, likings, or food habits, but we are all children of one God. Our next topic: how can we begin to recognize diversity as strength? We need to recognize our diversities well and use them as our strength. Their differences and inequalities are more imaginary than real. India has remained isolated from other countries by its natural boundaries. These boundaries have separated it from the rest of Asia, the Himalayas in north, the Assam hills in the northeast, the Suleiman Range and other mountains in the northwest, and the eastern and western Ghats in the south have kept it aloof as a separate, single part of the globe. In terms of political unity, India's rulers in olden times were always eager to establish their rule over the whole of India. Ashoka could bring almost the entire country under his domination. The performance of Aswamedh Yagna by strong ruler was an introduction of their longing for becoming Chakravarti Rajas. Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad Tughlaq had also attempted to conquer the whole of India. Akbar and later on the British rule gave India a political unity which was known before, according to Dr. V. A. Smith. India has been a country in which different religions such as Islam, Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Christianity are practiced and followed. India as a nation has absorbed all religions that came into its fold. Thus, in spite of diversities of color, race, or languages, the unity of people right from the Himalayas in the north to Rameshwaram in the south, and from Assam in the east to Gujarat in the west is an established fact. Thank you.